Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Leo fire sign. This is weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone for the month of September. Okay, let's see your recent past. Lot of cards are Leo, your recent past. Eight of Cups, Seven of Swords, Nine of Cups. Lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Definitely there is some separation between both of you. Seven of Swords with Eight of Cups. Definitely there is some miscommunication or false communication is already happened between both of you. But one person still hoping for this connection. Nine of Cups. But one person is walked away due to mind games, manipulation, whatever. I think it could be you walked away, or it could be your person. So let's see what's going on your connection right now, Leo. The Star. Yeah, still one person hoping for this connection still. Hermit and the Sun reverse. I don't read reverse cards. Definitely for some there is third party situation, children's involved. One person in this connection is right now in hermit mode, not taking any action. They are in thinking mode right now. They are spiritually awakening. So but one person still hope for this connection. It could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see more. Ace of Cups, King of Swords, Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, one person want to work on this relationship in this connection, and they love you so much. It could be you love your person so much. Definitely there is some harsh communication is going between both of you. I think it could be you, Leo, walked away due to your person manipulation, mind games, whatever. But now your person want to come towards you and they want to work on this relationship now seriously. But you stand by your power, you cut them off. You want your own happiness. It is also self-love. You focus on yourself right now. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Five of Swords. Lot of air energy. You or your person could be, see here, Six of Pentacles. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sag. Definitely your person want to end the disturbances between both of you, and they want to offer equal give and take to this connection. In past there is no equal give and take, that's why you walked away. But now your person want to offer equal give and take, and there is a lot of passion between both of you. Your person is attracted to you more. And Knight of Cups, here they are coming. It is slow energy. They want to offer their cup of love to you. So let's see some more cards from universe, Leo. Yeah, Wheel of Fortune, things are turning. Two of Swords and Queen of Cups. Definitely, yes, you are at some crossroads right now. One person in this connection not taking any action. I think you are thinking that you want to accept your person love or not, you are thinking about. But you both have still emotions for each other. Because Queen of Cups here, definitely this connection is going to be changed in a positive way. Definitely under the deck is Three of Pentacles. You both want to work on this relationship. If you both want to work on this relationship, then it is going to be next level. Otherwise, yeah, Three of Cups celebration. So if you both decide to work on this relationship, definitely it is going to be next level. Because the other person is also want to offer equal give and take to this connection. So Leo, it's up to you. Definitely your person wants second chance with you. Two of Wands under the deck, they are thinking about you a lot. They want second chance with you. It's up to you to give an offer to your person or not. So this is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.